Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Hacking. Today I will show you how to make our own tools like fishing tools on a Android mobile. So let's begin. First of all, we should open our termux and let's install our requirements. First we need to install the Python to make a tool. Sorry. I already installed the Python, so I do not need to install it. So I am stopping it here. Next one, we need to install a package called nano for test editor. Now you can see it is installing nano, and let's install some Python packages for making our own fishing tool. Let's install flask, pip install flask, and there you go, it started. It's not started, it will start. Yeah, there you go, it started installing. I already requirements are all satisfied, and let's install one more package called Figlet. For this we need to enter the command pkg install Figlet. There you go, it's already installed. Let's make a directory for our package for our tool making. Let's go into the black directory. You can see that now I'm in my black directory. Let's make a file called python to make our tool nano app.py where our python code will be there. For this, let's save for temporarily. After we will paste the code. Sorry. Nano app.py. For saving the file, press Ctrl plus X and enter Y and then enter. There you go, our Python file was created. And now let's make another directory. In the directory of black, let's make directory called templates. Okay, there you go, our directory was created. Now let's get into templates directory. Templates. Now we are in our templates directory. Here we should make a three files. First file is called instagram.html. It is actually a HTML file where our target see our login page. So let's make a file nano instagram.html. Okay, let's save it for temporary here and let's paste the code next later. And let's make another file called facebook.html for Facebook login page. Facebook.html. Let's say the file, enter y and then enter. Let's make another HTML called gmail.html, a Gmail login page. Gmail.html, enter, and control plus X for the saving file, and then enter Y, then enter. There you go, our three HTML files was created. Now let's paste the code. Now let's paste the code in the app.py. Let's open the app.py, nano app.py. I'm given source code in the description of the video. You can go and copy that and paste it. I'm simply copying my Python code. If you want a brief explanation of my Python code, you can comment me. I can explain you in another video. Now I copied my Python code and then I'm going to my termux and I will paste it here. And I will paste it. Okay, my Python code was pasted. Okay. Let's save the file. Control plus X, Y, then enter. Now let's get into the templates folder. Sorry, spelling mistake. Templates folder. TTS. Okay. Now let's get into our facebook.html. Nano facebook.html. This all source code I'm given in the description of this video. Just copy that and paste in the termux. I'm copying all the facebook.html copy and I'm going to my termux and paste it here. Okay, that's good. Let's save the file. Control plus X, Y, then enter. Now let's get into gmail.com. Nano gmail.html. Let's do it the same thing. Copy the code, get back into the termux and paste it here. Okay, that's great. Let's save the file. Control plus X, Y, then enter. Now let's get into Instagram. Nano Instagram.html. Let's do it the same thing here also. Let's copy the total source code, copy, then get back into the termux, paste it here. That's it. Let's save the file. Control plus X, Y, enter. Okay. All our files are great. Let's start the server. Okay. Still you want to get your websites for online, just type Python app.py, then enter. There you go, our tool is right. Okay, let's select Instagram one, then hit enter. There you go, our server is started. Let's copy the link here and let's get into the our browser. Paste it here, then enter. See, there you go, our Instagram login page. When our target their username, for example, something, and then password also. Let's type something, and when they are target press login, there you go. Then get back into termux. Stop first of all. Stop the server. For stopping the server, press Control C, Control plus C. There you go. Our server is stopped. Then type ls. Then you can see a new test file was created named users.tst, and all our login information where targets login are saved in this file. Let's get into our the test file nano users.tst. Hit enter. There you go. Username something and password also something. Okay. This is how a phishing tool works. If you want full explanation of my Python code and HTML code, comment me on this video. I will explain in the next video. And by the way, remember app.py and templates folder have to be in the same directory. Okay, let's end the video here. Bye. Let's see you in the next video.